Hi guys, in this video I am going to pack a couple of December crochet along yarn kits together with you, but before we start let me give you a little bit of a recap. So I'm hosting annual crochet alongs, mystery amigurumis to be exact, and this upcoming December, as usual, I'm hosting a mystery amigurumi secret crochet along. And for this December I'm also offering a yarn kit for this crochet along. So I have a couple of tickets. I have a basic ticket where you will get the digital pattern sent to you over on email, and I have a new ticket that is a physical pattern posted to you. And then I have the yarn kit. So there is actually three different kinds of tickets. There is both a English version and a Swedish version available. So now you know that it's actually today the last day that you can pre-order the yarn kits, because I have to get up and start ordering the yarn so that it comes in time for me to pack and send out it, so you will get your yarn kits in really good time before the December crochet along starts 1st of December. But yeah, before I actually start assembling the yarn kits, I need to sew the project bags for the crochet along yarn kits. There will be a handmade, vintage fabric bag in each yarn kit, and I'm really excited. Yeah, I'm really excited about them. So let's start with some sewing. So that is how the December crochet along yarn kit will look like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please come and subscribe and like it, and leave a comment down below. If you have nothing to say, just put in a box emoji or a gift emoji of some sort. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!